First, open up the glove box. Now release the dampener arm on the right hand side. Just push up and then pull out. Now there's 2 screws inside. Just turn them counterclockwise and they will release so that you can open up the glove box. Once you do that, you're going to be able to access the cabin air filter housing. There's a clip at the top. Release that, you'll be able to pull out the tray that holds the old cabin air filter. Now notice the arrows are pointing down for the airflow. Let's go ahead and get it replaced with a brand new cabin air filter. Once you get that in, just slide it in until it clicks. And now let's reassemble the glove box. First put the screws back in, and then reconnect the dampener arm, and you're all done.